Hello everyone, Asma this side. In this video, I'll be explaining you how to make a sound operated lamp switch using basic electrical components. For that, let us consider a situation in a bank or an organization where a sudden invasion by the burglars has taken place. Now all the staff has been handcuffed by the robbers and the main locker room full of valuable resources is at the mercy of the robbers. So is there a way to prevent this theft? Indeed, if any buzzer is connected which can start ringing alarm to the local police or a camera fitted along with a GSM module that can send the video to the police station. But still the problem lies in the way to switch on these devices. Consider another situation when a person in his room and a theft tries to enter the room at night when the room is dark and the owner is asleep. There needs to be a system for automatic switching on of the lights and ringing of the buzzer alarm. This inexpensive, fully transistorized sound-operated lamp switch is very sensitive to sound signals and turns on the lamp when you clap within 1.5 meter range of the switch. One of its interesting application could be in the disco parties, where lights could be turned off or on in sync with the music beats or clapping. All the hardware components along with the specifications are clearly visible from the circuit diagram. I hope all the connections of the electrical components along with the specification are clearly visible. Now let us move on to the working part. The condenser microphone senses the sound and converts it into electrical variations. These electrical signals are amplified by two-stage, namely transistor T1 and transistor T2 direct couple amplifier, and fed into the switching circuit. The switching circuit comprises of the transistor T3, T4 and T5. The transistor T5 supplies sufficient gate voltage to the triac to drive the 230-volt lamp. The regulated 12-volt power supply from the circuit is derived from the AC mains by using the resistor R14, diode D1 and Zener diode ZD1. The circuit can be assembled on a general purpose PCB. So that's all with this project. I hope you guys like this project. If you have any suggestions or doubts, then please comment down below. Thank you.